This video is about how to use our provided Odoo add-on to capture data from Odoo and use it with our TopBridge app to print labels. So, before we start printing, we first need to make sure that our printer drivers are installed correctly. For demonstration purposes, I have connected two printers here, a 236 and a 420, and their drivers have been installed correctly. Next, we must correctly install our Label Director print without IoT box add-on on your Odoo instance. We can see that it is now activated. Now let's switch to any product management page. For example, products under sales. When you click on any product and then click Print Labels, the entire label printing page is now managed by our add-on. When you open it for the first time, our add-on will check if our TopBridge is installed on your machine. If it's not installed, our add-on will prompt you on how to install it. You can click the download button here within 60 seconds to open our download page. We provide two download sources, the Microsoft App Store and our own download center. Here I'll install using the free download I already saved. Once the download is successful, double-click the app installer, then click Install. Our app installer will automatically download the installation package from the cloud and install it locally. Our app will then run automatically after the installation is complete. Okay, the app installed successfully. On first launch, it automatically shows the login screen right away now. If this is your first time using our service, you should see Register at the bottom of this page. You can go to Register and sign up as a new user. You only need an email address and a password to register. After registration is complete, our system will send a verification email to your inbox. You can only start using our service after you have verified your email. I already have an account, so I will log in with my user credentials. After logging in, the browser will prompt us and it will reopen our TopBridge app. We click on Open TopBridge button. So far, our TopBridge has been successfully logged in, and the logged in user is displayed here. Now, before we go back to Odoo to print, we need to configure a few more settings. Since our TopBridge supports both TSPL and ZPL printing protocols, we must inform TopBridge which protocol your printer is currently running on. This 236 is a third-party brand printer that only supports TSPL, so I have kept it in TSPL mode. This 420 is a third-party brand printer that supports both TSPL and ZPL. For demonstration purposes, I have set it to ZPL mode. Okay, all configurations are now complete. Let's return to our Odoo product management page. Now, when we click on Print Labels again, we can see that all the pages have been loaded correctly. Our add-on has detected that TopBridge is running locally and that a user is logged in. Here, we can easily print by selecting the printer and print template, and with a simple button click. For all newly registered users, we provide several sample templates for testing. Of course, you can edit them or add your own templates. This topic will be covered in other videos. For now, let's just try to print this label. You can see this printer has printed a label that includes a barcode, the price, and the product name. I can also switch to another label type. And again, print with a simple click. The label printed this time has no barcode, only the product name and price. Similarly, we can also switch to this printer to print the labels. So let's use this printer to first print a simple label that only has the price and product name. I can also switch to the second label template to print labels with barcodes. Similarly, we can also change the print quantity here to print multiple labels with a single click. Here, I'm telling the system to print 5 copies on this printer using this template. With one convenient press, it will continuously print 5 labels. That covers how to use our Odoo add-ons to pull Odoo data source and work with TopBridge for label printing tasks.